Yes, a very good morning to all of you. So, today we are going to start with the chapter number 5 on page number 48 of your book Vistas. And the name of the chapter is Should Wizard Hit Mommy? And it has been written by John Updike. Are you all having your books in front of you? Good, good. It is John Updike, and he was born in Pennsylvania in USA in the year 1932. And he's considered to be a very versatile writer. Can anyone just tell me the meaning of versatile? What is versatility? What do you understand by versatile? Yes, Akarshita, what is versatile? He can write on many different themes, various themes, variety of themes. And his works include novels, poems, and short stories also. And he's also considered as a very famous literary critic also. And he has written over 50 literary books and on a variety of, like I told you, he's a versatile writer on a variety of genres. And he is also internationally known for his novels that deal with the life of Harry Angstrom, a star athlete. Okay, so his childhood was he did not have a very good childhood because he was suffering from a disease, and that is psoriasis. Psoriasis is a very it's a skin disease that creates patches and on your skin. Okay, so that is psoriasis. But his mother had been a great source of encouragement for him, for John Updike. His name was John Hoyer Updike, but if you're asked to name the author, you will just write John Updike. Okay, so and whatever he had achieved in his life, he owes it to his mother. The kind of moral support, the kind of understanding, and you will find a little bit of autobiographical account also, because whatever he had suffered in his childhood, he links the story with that only. And this story has it raises a great moral question that we would discuss after doing it in detail. Okay, so open page number 48, and I'm going to start reading it, and we'll do the explanation side by side. Here is a story that from the world view of a little child, and the difficult moral question she raises during the story session with her father. So the story is it's a kind of a storytelling session that is going on between a daughter and her father. And the girl is very small. She is just 4 years old, but a very important moral question she raises during the course of this storytelling session, and that we would discuss later on. So the story starts with, in the evenings and for Saturday naps. What do you understand by nap? What is nap? You can type in the answer, because your voice does not get recorded. If I record it and if I post it, if I share it with you, it's a short sleep. Yes. So it is a short sleep. For like today's Jack. Jack is the name of the father. Jack told his daughter Joe. Joe is the daughter. A story out of his head. What do you understand by out of his head? He told the story out of his head. What is out of his head? Just type. When you tell a story out of your head, what does it mean? Very simple. Yes, from imagination. From imagination. So he would imagine, so he would create a story for his daughter, and he would, yes, he would create a story and he would share that story with his daughter. This custom, it began when she was 2, was itself now nearly 2 years old. So the tradition of telling the stories started when the child was 2 years old. And now this custom is 2 years old. Now that means the child is now how many years old? अब कितने साल की है वो? 4. ठीक है, तो जब वो 2 साल की थी तब ये स्टोरी टेलिंग सेशन शुरू हुए थे, और अब इस चीज को भी इन सेशंस को 2 साल हो चुके हैं. सो शी इज नाउ 4, and his head felt empty. So he's created so many stories for his daughter that now he was falling short of ideas, and each new story was a slight variation of a basic tale. So basic tale hamesha same rehti thi. A small creature, usually named Roger, and that could be Roger Fish, Roger Squirrel, Roger Chipmunk. मतलब एक क्रीचर होता था जिसका नाम रॉजर होता था. रॉजर के आगे कुछ भी हो सकता है. ठीक है, तो बेसिक टेल सेम ही थी. और वो बेसिक टेल क्या थी? ही हैड सम प्रॉब्लम एंड ही वेंट विद इट टू द वाइज ओल्ड आउल. The owl told him to go to the wizard. And who is a wizard? Who's a wizard? Wizard कौन होता है? Who is a wizard? The story is, should wizard hit mommy? Kind of a magician, yes. So he would go to the wizard, and the wizard would cast some, magical spell, and the wizard performed a magical spell that solved the problem, demanding in payment a number of pennies greater than the number that Roger Creature had. So always the story was the same. The basic tale remained the same. This Roger Creature, he had some problem, and with that problem, he went to the wizard. He wanted the wizard to solve the problem. The wizard would cast a magical spell, and but he would ask for money in return of that favor. और वो जो पैसे मांगता था, रॉजर, जो भी रॉजर फिश, रॉजर स्क्विरल, रॉजर चिपमंक कोई भी होता था, उसके पास पैसे थोड़े कम होते थे. Then what would he do? But in the same breath, he would direct the animal to a place where the extra pennies could be found. ठीक है, तो फिर वो उसको भेज देता था ऐसी जगह पे जहां से वो एक्स्ट्रा मनी मिल जाए. Then Roger was so happy. He played many games with other creatures and went home to his mother just in time to hear the train whistle that brought his daddy home from Boston. जैक डिस्क्राइब देयर सपर. ठीक है, फिर वो घर आता था खुशी खुशी खेलता हुआ. उसके पापा भी उसी टाइम आते थे बॉस्टन से. देन दे वुड हैव देयर मील्स एंड द स्टोरी वाज ओवर. Working his way through this scheme was especially fatiguing on Saturday. What do you understand by fatiguing? What is fatiguing? Very simple word. Tiring. This was very tiring on Saturdays. Why? Because Jo never fell asleep in naps anymore. Now she had grown up. Now the custom had started when she was 2. Now she was 4. अब उसको नींद इतनी जल्दी से नहीं आती थी. ठीक है? And knowing this made the rite seem futile. What is rite? R-I-T-E. What is rite? And what is futile? Yes, this ceremony was totally futile. It was useless because he had been telling all these stories in order to make his daughter sleep. Then when she would not fall asleep, when she was not ready to take a nap, then this entire ritual, this ceremony, this act seemed very useless. The little girl, not so little anymore, the bumps her feet made under the covers were halfway down the bed, their big double bed that they let her be in for naps and when she was sick. So it was their bed, but then they would let her sleep there whenever, whenever she wanted to take a nap, whenever they wanted her to take a nap, or when she was sick. Had at last arranged herself, and from the way her fat face deep in the pillow shone in the sunlight, sifting through the drawn shades. So curtains उन्होंने लगाए हुए थे और curtains के बीच में से sunlight sift होके आ रही थी. ठीक है? And it did not seem fantastic that some magic would occur. And she would take her nap like an infant of 2. अब ऐसे लगता नहीं था कि कुछ जादू हो जाएगा और 2 साल के बच्चे की तरह वो सो पाएगी. ठीक है? Her brother Bobby was 2. So there was a difference of 2 years between the brother and sister, between the siblings. And already asleep with his bottle, Jack asked, who shall the story be about today? तो जैक ने उससे पूछा कि किसके बारे में होनी चाहिए आज स्टोरी. So Roger तो आपको पता ही हमेशा ही होता था. Jo squeezed her eyes shut and smiled to be thinking she was thinking. So she just pretended that she was thinking, okay, and she just smiled and she said Roger, and then she pretended that she was thinking about some Roger creature. Her eyes opened her mother's blue. So her eyes were just like her mother, blue colored eyes. Skunk, she said firmly. A new animal. They must talk about skunks at nursery school. अब ये नया एनिमल था कोई और वो बड़ा खुश हुआ जैक कि स्कूल में ये सुनती होगी स्कंक्स के बारे में. So having a fresh hero, this was a fresh creature, a skunk. Roger fish, squirrel ये सब हो चुके थे तो ये नया सा creature आया. Even this stirred a kind of an enthusiasm in Joe's father. Momentarily stirred Jack to creative enthusiasm. All right, he said. Once upon a time, like this child has just joined Aniket class 11B2 roll number 34. So पूरा लिखा हुआ है Aniket 34B2. तो ऐसे ही सब बच्चों ने अपना नाम रोल नंबर सेक्शन लिख के ज्वाइन करना है. Okay. So he said, once upon a time in the deep dark woods. What are woods? What are woods? Forest. Okay. So in the deep dark woods, yes, there was a tiny little creature by the name of Roger Skunk, and he smelled very bad. Yes, Jo said. So they are known for, this is the characteristic feature of the skunks, that they're very smelly creatures. And he smelled very bad. Yes, Jo said. He smelled so bad that none of the other little woodland creatures would play with him. Jo looked at him solemnly. So she was very sad at this point. She was very solemn. She became very grave and sad because because he was a little animal, but no other animal wanted to play with him because of his awful smell. She hadn't foreseen this. She had not forethought this. उसने ऐसा नहीं सोचा था. ठीक है. Whenever he would go out to play, Jack continued with zest. What is zest? What is zest? He continued with zest means he continued with a lot of fervor, enthusiasm. Remembering certain, underline this, remembering certain humiliations of his own childhood. Underline it, we will discuss it after the chapter is over. Okay. Yes, Jack continued with zest, remembering certain humiliations of his own childhood. All of the other tiny animals would cry, "Oh ho, here comes Roger, stinky skunk." ठीक है, तो उसका नाम ही उन्होंने stinky रख दिया. Stinky was because he used to smell very bad. And they would just run away, and Roger skunk would stand there all alone. And two little round tears would fall from his eyes. You know, he would start crying. He was this little small child, because nobody was ready to play with him. Everybody, you know, called him by the name Stinky Skunk. So he was very upset. He was very sad, and that made him cry. The corners of Joe's mouth drooped down. ठीक है, आप sad होते हो तो आप मुंह बना लेते हो, ठीक है. ठीक है. So then the corners of her lips, they drooped down, and her lower lip bent forward as he traced with a forefinger along the side of her nose the course of one of Roger Skunk's tears. ठीक है, तो वो उसको जेस्चर वो करके बता रहा है कि ऐसे उसकी आंखों से ऐसे 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 आंसू निकल रहे हैं. सो एंड देन द कॉर्नर्स ऑफ हर लिप्स, दे वुड ड्रूप डाउन, एंड शी वुड आल्सो मेक, यू नो, a face as if she was very sad, because she did not like this idea. She had not forethought this, that if he smelled bad, nobody is going to play with him. Won't he see the owl? She asked in a high and faintly roughened voice. तो उसको बहुत जल्दी है कि इसकी जल्दी से प्रॉब्लम का सोल्यूशन मिल जाए. Sitting on the bed beside her, Jack felt the covers tug as her legs switched tensely. He was pleased with this moment. What was he pleased with? He was telling her something true, something she must know, and had no wish to hurry on. But downstairs, a chair scraped. What is scraping of the chairs? What is scraping? No, when you move any object against the surface, against the floor, yes, movement of the object, and a sound comes out. So, and he realized he must get down to help Claire. Claire is his wife. So we have how many creatures? We have learned about 4 creatures. Jack, 4 people. Jack, and then Claire, his wife. Then Joe is the daughter, and Bobby is the son, and Roger, we know, is the protagonist of whatever story he would tell his daughter. So he had to go downstairs in order to help his wife paint the living room, you know, the woodwork. And he wanted that his daughter should sleep fast, but she was not ready to sleep. Well, he walked along very sadly and came to a very big tree. And in the tip top of the tree was an enormous, wise, old owl. Okay, so many adjectives with owl: enormous, wise, old. Good. Mr. Owl, Roger Skunk said, all the other little animals run away because I smell so bad. So you do, the owl said, very, very bad. कहता सच्ची में बहुत गंदी स्मेल आ रही है तुम्हारे से. But what can I do for you? Roger Skunk said, and he cried, what can, no, this is what can I do? Roger Skunk said, Roger Skunk, मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ? This is my inherent smell. ये तो characteristic है मेरा. मैं कैसे करूँ? मैं क्या करूँ इसका? ठीक है? So, and he cried, and he started crying very loudly. The wizard, Joe shouted and sat right up, and a little golden book spilled from the bed. Now, Joe, Daddy is telling the story. Do you want to tell Daddy the story? So he did not like this idea of, you know, his child, you know, interrupting in between and leading him while he was telling the story. वो कहता है कि story मैं सुना रहा हूँ. Underline this also. This is also one of the very important characteristic of Jack that we would discuss afterwards. ठीक है, एक मैंने आपको पहले underline करने को बोला था on the previous page. Remembering certain humiliations of his own childhood. We are going to discuss each and everything in detail. So the chapter appears to be very simple on the surface level, but later on we have to discuss a lot many things about this. Okay? So he did not like this idea of his child leading him towards the story that he was telling. वो कहता है क्या बोलता है? Now Joe, Daddy is telling the story. Do you want to tell Daddy the story? मैं स्टोरी सुना रहा हूँ ना, तो मुझे बोलने दो. तुमने सुनानी है? No, you me. You me means you tell me the story. I will not interrupt like this. Then lie down and be sleepy. Her head relapsed onto the pillow and she said, out of your head. Yes, tell me the story from your own imagination, from your head, out of your head. Well, the owl thought and thought. At last he said, why don't you go see the wizard, Daddy? What? Are magic spells real? This was a new phase. Just last month, a reality phase. No, no. Earlier on, when the storytelling session and this custom it started, she was only 2. ठीक है, जब बच्चा 2 साल का होता है ना, आप उसको कुछ भी बताओ वो मानता है. ठीक है, वो पूछता है ये क्या है, ये क्या है, ये क्या है, ये क्या है. बस आप उसको सिर्फ क्या जानना होता है कि ये चीजें क्या हैं. ठीक है, जब बच्चा धीरे धीरे बड़ा होता है, वो रियलिटी फेज में आता है, तो वो पूछना शुरू हो जाता है, क्या चेंज हो जाता है, क्यों में. क्या तो उसको पता है कि ये सब क्या है, पर ये क्यों है और ये कैसे है. ठीक है, तो वो क्वेश्चनिंग शुरू कर देता है. सो दिस इज द रियलिटी फेज. व्हेन ही टोल्ड हिज स्पाइडर्स ईट बग्स, शी टर्न टू हर मदर एंड आस्क्ड, डू दे रियली. ठीक है, अब उसको विश्वास नहीं होता था इतनी जल्दी से. अगर वो उसको उसका फादर उसको बताता है कि स्पाइडर्स ईट बग्स, तो वो कंफर्म करने के लिए अपनी मदर के पास जाती है कि सच्ची में ऐसा होता है, स्पाइडर्स बग्स खाते हैं. When Claire told her God was in the sky and all around them, she turned to her father and insisted with a sly yet very eager smile, is he really? तो जब मदर उसकी बोलती थी गॉड सब जगह है, हमारे आसपास भी है, तो अपने फादर से के पास जाके बड़ी कनिंग सी और स्माइल लेके पूछती कि सच्ची में ऐसा है. And very clever, and so she was now growing up, and this was, she had started becoming slightly practical, and this was the reality phase that had come into her life. They are real in stories. तो उसने क्या पूछा कि मैजिक स्पेल्स क्या रियल होते हैं, तो उसके फादर ने क्या जवाब दिया, वेरी डिप्लोमेटिक काइंड ऑफ अ रिप्लाई, दे आर रियल बट दे रियल इन स्टोरीज. जैक आंसर्ड कर्टली. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय कर्टली? जैक आंसर्ड कर्टली. व्हाट इज कर्टली? Yes, slightly. He was slightly rude and sharp, and he said he just didn't want this kind of an interruption. She had made him, and why did he not like this kind of interruption? Because she had made him miss a beat in the narrative. He was in his own flow he was telling the story, और वो flow टूट गया था. ठीक है, तो उसको अच्छा नहीं लगा. The owl said, "Go through the dark woods, under the apple trees, into the swamp, over the creek." What's a crick? Now this was a new word that she had come across, so she didn't know the meaning of this. And वो उससे पूछती अपने father से, crick क्या होता है? A little river. Over the creek, and there will be the wizard's house. And that's the way Roger Skunk went. And pretty soon he came to a little white house and he rapped on the door. What do you mean by rapping on the door? What is rapping on the door? He rapped. The Roger Skunk rapped on the door. Yes, he knocked at the door. जैक रैप्ड ऑन द विंडो सिल. और अब वो पूरी मतलब एनिमेशन के साथ उसको स्टोरी सुना रहा है. तो जैसे उसने जैसे उसने वहां वो विजर्ड के पास गया और उसने उसके डोर पे नॉक किया, वैसे ही उसने विंडो सिल पे नॉक करके दिखाया. ठीक है, एंड अंडर द कवर्स जोस टॉल फिगर क्लेंच्ड इन एन इन्फेंटाइल थ्रिल. और वो ये एनिमेशन के साथ बड़ी खुश होती थी. शी बिकेम वेरी एक्साइटेड. एंड देन अ टाइनी लिटिल ओल्ड मैन केम आउट with a long white beard and a pointed blue hat and said, "Hey, what's his? What you want? You smell awful." एक छोटा सा क्रीचर निकल के आया, उसकी लंबी सी दाढ़ी, you can see in the picture also. वो बोलता क्या है, क्या चाहिए, what do you want? And you smell very bad. Your smell is awful. The wizard's voice was one of Jack's own favorite effects. तो wizard की आवाज निकालना, ठीक है, ये अपने इफेक्ट्स देना, ये जैक बहुत अच्छी तरह से करता था. ठीक है, he did it by scrunching up his face and somehow whining through his eyes, which felt for the interval roomy. He felt being an old man suited him. उसको लगता था कि मैं जैसे old man की तरह behave कर रहा हूँ. So this suited me. ठीक है, what is whining? Somehow whining through his eyes. Whining means मेकिंग अ हाई पिच्ड क्राई, एक और लंबी सी आवाज निकालना. ठीक है, एंड व्हाट इज विच फेल फॉर द इंटरवल र्यूमी, मतलब जब वो ऐसे आवाज निकालता था ऐसे लगता था उसकी आंखों से पानी आ रहा है, वाटरी डिस्चार्ज फ्रॉम योर आईज, फ्रॉम योर नोज, दैट इज र्यूमी. He felt being an old man suited him. I know it, Roger Skunk said. And all the little animals ran away from me. वो कहते हैं ये कोई नई बात नहीं बता रहे, मुझे पता है, मैं इसीलिए तो आपके पास आया हूँ. Because nobody wants to play with me. All the little animals, they run away from me. The enormous wise owl said, "You could help me." मुझे wise owl ने भेजा आपके पास और मुझे बताया कि आप मेरी हेल्प कर सकते हो. A, well maybe. Come on in. Don't get too close. मतलब स्मेल तुम्हारी बहुत गंदी है, अंदर आ जाओ, पर बहुत बहुत ज्यादा पास नहीं आना मेरे पास. ठीक है. Now inside Joe, there were all these magical things all jumbled together in a big dusty heap because the wizard did not have any cleaning lady. वो कहता उसके घर में बुरा हाल था, एक के ऊपर एक सामान डंप किया पड़ा हुआ है, डस्ट पड़ी है, एक ढेर बना हुआ है, ठीक है, मैजिकल थिंग्स हैं, क्योंकि उसके घर में कोई डस्टिंग करने नहीं आता था, ठीक है, he did not have any domestic help. Why? Because he was a wizard. Why? Because he was a wizard and very old man. क्योंकि वो magician था, magicians थोड़ी अपने घर में domestic help रखते हैं. Will he die? But this is also again one of the questions from that reality phase that she has entered into. वो कहती है कि क्या wizard है, बूढ़ा हो गया, क्या वो मर जाएगा? No, wizards don't die. When he rummaged around, वो कहता है कि नहीं नहीं, ये magician है, magicians मरते नहीं हैं. And when she had asked about magical spells, are they real? He had said they are real, but they are real in stories. Okay, and so he rummaged around. What do you mean by rummaging around? जब आप किसी चीज को ढूंढ रहे हो और सारा कुछ घर उथल पुथल कर देते हो आप, ठीक है, दैट इज रमेजिंग. व्हेन यू टर्न ओवर थिंग्स एंड दे मेक देम इवन मोर अनटाइडी while you're trying to find out, while you're searching for something. So he rummaged around and he found an old stick called a magic wand. A magical spell किससे cast करेगा वो? They wizards, they have magical wands. And asked Roger Skunk what he wanted to smell like. Roger Skunk thought and thought and thought and he said roses. उसने पूछा कि ठीक है, तुम्हारी स्मेल मैं चेंज कर दूंगा. I'll cast a magical spell on you with the help of my magical stick, my magical wand. But what do you want to smell like? आप कैसे स्मेल करना चाहते हो? So Roger Skunk said, I want to smell like roses. Yes, good. Joe said smugly. Joe भी बड़ी खुश हुई. So she was feeling very satisfied कि अब इसमें से roses की स्मेल आएगी तो सारे creatures इसके साथ खेलेंगे. Smugly means she was feeling very pleased, she was feeling very satisfied. Jack fixed her with a trance-like gaze. अब magic जब वो कोई आपके ऊपर जादू कर रहा होता है, उसी तरह से उसने पूरा इनैक्ट किया. एंड ही चैंटेड इन द विजर्ड्स एल्डरली इरिटेबल वॉइस. और विजर्ड की जैसे ही आवाज में उसने किया, abracadabra, hocus poo, Roger Skunk, how do you do, roses, boses, pull an ear, Roger Skunk, you never fear, bingo. And the moment he said bingo, the spell was cast and the smell changed into that of roses. He paused as a rapt expression widened out from his daughter's nostrils. What is rapt? Rapt expression का मतलब क्या है? As if she was totally absorbed, totally fascinated by this kind of a thing, forcing her eyebrows up and her lower lip down in a wide, noiseless grin. And she was laughing, she was grinning, at this kind of an enactment that was happening in front of him. In front of her, an expression in which Jack was startled to recognize his wife feigning pleasure at cocktail parties. So I told you earlier also, she totally resembled her mother. जैसे उसकी मदर की आईज थी उसकी भी वैसे थी, जैसे वो हंसती थी. When her mother would go to cocktail parties with her husband, she would also feign a smile. What is feigning a smile? She would pretend that she was being very happy. Yes, very good, Tushita. So the daughter also feigned a smile, at this kind of an enactment. And all of a sudden, he whispered. The whole inside of the wizard's house was full of the smell of what? Roses. Roses. Roger Fish cried, and the wizard said, very cranky, that will be 7 pennies. ठीक है, अब उसने क्या गलती करी यहाँ पे? What was the mistake that Jack committed here? What was the mistake during the storytelling session? He said, what did he say? Roger Fish. Okay, and the wizard said that would be 7. Daddy, what? Roger Skunk. You said Roger Fish. No, she was very attentive in listening to the story. ये क्या blunder कर दिया मेरे पापा ने? You said Roger Fish. Yes, Skunk. You said Roger Fish. Wasn't that silly? Very silly of your stupid old daddy. Where was I? So he admitted that it was his mistake and he said it was very stupid of me. Where was I? Well, you know about the pennies. Say it. वो कहते नहीं मुझे पता तो है पर बताओ, आप बताओगे मुझे, ठीक है? Okay. Roger Skunk said, but all I have is 4 pennies. तो ठीक है, 7 pennies उसने मांगे पर उसके पास सिर्फ 4 थे. And he began to cry. Joe made the crying face again. ठीक है, but this time without a trace of sincerity. ठीक है, पहले जब उसको लग रहा था बहुत बुरा कि भाई इसके साथ तो कोई खेल नहीं रहा, ये अकेला है या ये है वो, तो वो genuinely sad थी. अब उसने फिर मुंह सा बनाया, but then this was her expressions and everything lacked the sincerity. वो सिर्फ उसे दिखावे के लिए किया. This annoyed Jack. Underline this. Very, very important. This annoyed Jack. He did not like this. ये भी हम discuss करेंगे. Downstairs, some more furniture rumbled. What is rumbling of furniture? बताया मैंने आपको पहले भी. What is rumbling? Again, moving with the movement with a lot of noise. Claire shouldn't move heavy things. Now, he had his obligation towards his wife also, because he had promised that he's, yes, untidy movement. He had promised that he would go downstairs and he would help her paint the woodwork. And also, as it is, she was 6 months pregnant, it would be their third. They were going to have their third child, and it was not, she was not supposed to lift such heavy things. So he wanted to go downstairs, but the daughter was not letting her. The story was not coming to an end. तो वो थोड़ा restless हो रहा था because he wanted to go downstairs. So the wizard said, "Oh, very well. Go to the end of the lane." उसने तो अपनी story खत्म करने की कोशिश की है, कह के कि तुम्हें पता ही है आगे क्या होगा. But she said, "No, I want you to explain it. Go to the end of the lane and turn around 3 times and look down the magic well, and there you will find 3 pennies." तो सारा directions दी कि यहाँ यहाँ जाओ, यहाँ जाके तुम्हें पैसा मिलेंगे. Hurry up. So Roger Skunk went to the end of the lane and turned around 3 times, and there in the magical well, he found 3 pennies. So he took them back to the wizard and was very happy and ran into the woods, and all the other little creatures gathered around him. तो जो उसके पास नहीं आते थे, जो उसको रॉजर स्टिंकी स्कंक कह के बुलाते थे, they all were so happy to see him and to smell him, because he was smelling like roses. He smelled so good. And they played tag and baseball and football, basketball, deck rows, hockey, soccer, and pick up sticks. Okay, what's pick up sticks? It's a game that you play with sticks, like the wizard's magical wand, kind of. And they played games and laughed all afternoon. And then it began to get dark, and they all ran home to their mommies. Okay, so just put a mark here. We're going to continue from here tomorrow. We'll continue from here tomorrow. Go through this part that we have covered. Go through the rest of the part also, because we're going to discuss many important things about this. If we are able to finish, we would be able to. There is this chapter tomorrow, so we will discuss a few important things about this chapter. So let me just take your attendance, and if there is anything that you have not followed from the part that we have covered today, you can ask. Otherwise, I'll just move on to the attendance part. So that is all for today, students. If there's no, we will discuss them in detail. Okay. Have a nice day, all of you.